ultimately the students who have to work hard.
Hakaway pat kalyang uba hek hen negasngi ula ong ba ka BJP ka Donkam ban Pynïeng daki Kyrtong Kiba Biang na kabenta ban job ya ki election ha kani ka jala ula kren ya kani na mar ba kaseng kam shamnala ban job ha kanu ke election ha po ka jala la ka long ha ki election MLA ni MDC uba hek ula pen pau Biang ba kaseng ka tre ha baro ka wei da ka ba benrap ba ka rai menta ka shong ha ki pait ba kumnu ki yo i ya ka jingkarmen chong kaseng ha ka jala.
BJP is not working only during the election. BJP is working day one and day 24/7 to strengthen the party organization not only in the state of Meghalaya but the whole country. So this is the only political party that I have seen they are working continuously to ensure that the party is growing from time to time. See, the convince people is like this. Now you see the other state, people are voting for a party-based politics. But Meghalaya, we have to find out the good candidate because here, most of the time people depend on the personnel of the candidate, the individual of the candidate. Not, of course, a party also there, but most of the time is the person.
Ka ken hon ki